So just gonna make a few scarf joints on these claps here, like that. And then big old draw knife. So this is gonna be the siding for the building. This is how it was originally done, so we're doing it the same way. It's a 2-inch joint. By making 2 of them, they lap over each other like this, and that helps keep the water out. So you don't have caulking, you don't have tan or aluminum in between the joints. You just have wood on wood with a nail through it that keeps it nice and tight. You kind of manipulate it with your hands a little bit to get the angle of, take off as much or as little as you want. Have to be a little delicate because they do come right down to nothing at the very tip. So you have to make sure you don't take off too much and cut it short. But there you go.
Cool.